Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have King of Pentacles, Five of Cups in reverse and Queen of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. So you are someone who is really, knowledgeable. You have a lot of experience and you're wise and you are in a very good position in your career or in your personal life. That may be the reason people come to you for your guidance and support. Maybe they respect your ideas and your suggestions, guys, and you are someone who is really successful, confident about your skills and talents, and that may be the reason people come to you for some kind of ideas or advice, guys. And also, Gemini, in your maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, maybe in your career there is a person who is not to be trusted. Maybe they are quite jealous of you, jealous of your success, and they are doing things opposing you, opposing your work, or they are trying to create some problematic situation for you, guys. So you need to be really careful. If you feel that you cannot trust someone, you need to stay away from that person, Gemini. Or it may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe this person you are in love with, they may have some intentions, some motives. So it may not be a good motive towards you, guys. So you need to be really careful if you are not not clear about their intentions, if you do not know them very well, and if you feel that you cannot trust them enough. You have to be really careful with this person you are in relationship with, because maybe for some of you this person is not telling you the truth. So they have some kind of some kind of a hidden motive. Something is not right, something is missing. And for some of you there is some kind of a news. So it may be according to your what you feel. Maybe for some of you, the past person you were in a relationship with, they are coming back to you, guys. Maybe it may be a planned visit, or it may be simply a surprise visit, or it may just be a coincidence, but they are definitely coming to visit you, guys, Gemini. So that may change the way things are, maybe in this present connection. So you don't know whether to go with that past person or maybe find this understanding with this new person, Gemini. So some kind of doubts may arise because of this visit. Or maybe for some of you, you would have moved on and you are just having friendly terms with this past person. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things, you must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself, so you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.